Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cash App at Walmart without a card. This guide will show you how to make purchases and withdraw cash directly from your Cash App balance. We'll cover the simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction, whether you're buying groceries or need some quick cash. Get ready to simplify your shopping experience with these easy-to-follow instructions. To make an in-store purchase, open your Cash App and navigate to the Pay or Scan option. You'll generate a unique barcode that the cashier can scan at the register. This acts just like a debit card, deducting the exact amount from your Cash App balance. Always confirm your balance is sufficient before scanning to avoid any delays. It's a quick and convenient way to pay. To withdraw cash, open your Cash App and select the Cash Out option, choosing Walmart as your location. This will generate a unique barcode. Take this barcode to the Walmart Money Center or Customer Service Desk. You'll need to present a valid government-issued identification along with the barcode to the associate. You can typically withdraw up to $500 per transaction, providing convenient access to your funds without a physical card. 379. Remember to always check your Cash App balance before heading to Walmart to ensure you have sufficient funds for your purchase or withdrawal. It's also wise to confirm that your specific Walmart location offers Cash App services, as not all stores participate. For cash withdrawals, be prepared to show a valid government-issued identification. 9. Following these simple tips will help ensure a smooth and successful experience every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.